Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. And right now we're gonna do VeChain and see what's actually happening. And as you can see on the chart, yesterday VeChain had a really nice pullback. It ended the day in green actually. It did a lot better than a lot of other coins and tokens, I can tell you that, because it ended in green, like a lot of ended in red and big reds as well. So this is to me very bullish, but are we quite there yet? We're gonna check that out. That's let's get in the chart to see what's actually happening with VeChain. Now, let me pull up some other moving average up here. That's 50, that's 100 and 200 moving average, just so we have them on the screen. It's fine, it's not that you need, but you can see here that yesterday we went almost all the way down to the 50 moving average, which is actually good because people that actually want to buy these levels here actually got a chance to buy, so they are not waiting. Also, you can see that this support down here, 0.129, actually held almost on the dollar, and as soon as we got to that level of support, we bounced up. So this level must be regarded as a good, as an important level, because right now you can see it is confirmed as a support. Very nice, very nice. That said, let's go and see what's actually happening on the weekly chart. And on the weekly chart you can see here that we didn't get all the way down to the 10 moving average, which would have been the best case scenario. And just like on the daily chart, people actually are looking for to buy around the 10 moving average in a bull run, because that lowers the risk, right? As soon as you get too extended from the 10 moving average on the weekly chart, the risk goes up. Like, imagine if you are all the way up here at one, something like that, while the moving average is down there, the risk is super high, right, to go down, to get pulled back to the moving averages. And you can see that all the way during this bull market, that the price gets away from the 10 moving average and then goes towards the moving average, away to moving average, away to moving average, away, and now we are looking to get some kind of hit on the moving average. Now we don't actually have to have a hit on the moving average, just a wick down to the moving average might be enough, because people that are waiting to buy that those levels are waiting for the price to get close to the moving average. Whether this moving average is down here, up here, it really doesn't matter. All thing that matters is that it's in close to the moving average. Now, of course, it's better to buy close to the 10 moving average down here, because the risk is lower than up here, and this actually might be very bullish for VeChain, because people that wanted to buy might have already bought. I'm not quite sure, but I think a lot of those that want to buy did buy. So that might increase the chance that they are not gonna talk bad about VeChain, and the price might actually move further up. That's a be do reminded that we are still extended from the 10 moving average. Although we did hit it with the wick, we are still extended from the weekly moving average, and we have not resetted the this rubber band index, this RSI. So RSI previously week on this candle hit very high levels at 93, and now it's going down. So the best case scenario is closing around some kind of 70 levels, just like over here. You go up and then you have a big dump just 1 week, and after that you continue going up. So best case scenario right now for VeChain, the way I see it, so we can go up next week, is to have a big dump, continue, because we don't know actually if Bitcoin is finished dumping or not. I have Bitcoin video on my channel that I did like an hour ago, so go check that out. It doesn't have any notifications on, so you gotta check it out. And by the way, if you want to check my Bitcoin videos every day, because they go out without notifications, and we follow Bitcoin what's gonna do, join the Telegram group, because that's where we actually announce the videos. That said, right now we have to have some kind of pullback down here, and everything depends on the Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin pulls back, it might actually be very good for VeChain. It might be, because number one, we'll be closing closer to the 10 moving average, and this 10 moving average will be around 0.12 next week. And also, if you can close to the moving average, we also pulled back this RSI, and these levels right now here at 73 are very nice. But if you can pull it even a little bit closer, down to 70 or 69 levels or something like that, that might indicate to me that from Monday on we're gonna be very bullish. There is nothing negative to talk about VeChain, besides that we are sitting on the 20 moving average and not the 10. The only thing right now is that the daily has gotten this bearish cross. The bearish cross doesn't have to last for 2 months or something like that, or for 2 weeks, but it's good to know that we are not optimal on the technicals right now. This bearish cross, that's when this blue line crosses this signal line on the downside, that you get these red histograms, and that means usually that is, some kind of moving averages are actually going down. All in all, there is short term. I'm gonna show you some kind of levels to watch for when we can actually be bullish. So I'm gonna remove some lines that we don't need right now. The 100 is actually acting as a support, so I'm gonna keep that, but 50 is way above that. So there is some kind of a line of resistance up here that's playing right now. This is the big line, this is the big line, but there's another one. So once we break this line over here, we are probably in a strong uptrend. On the other hand, to break this downtrend, we have to break this line over here, I think, something like this. So this line up here, that's line you want to break when you want to continue going to the moon. This is the moon line, but the sideways line is this. So basically right now we are in a downtrend following, and only way we can stop the downtrend is if we break this vertical line. So once we break the line, I'm not saying we're gonna go to the moon, but I'm saying we're gonna go sideways, and that's very good because that's first step before you go up. Before you go up, you gotta go sideways and then up. That's it. Check out this line. So what you want to see is something like this. You want to see this breaking the 10 moving average like it's doing right now, then breaking the 20 moving average, that's the red line, then breaking this this diagonal line at the same time, and eventually getting above this level at what's that, 0.22. That's the 50 moving average on the 4-hourly, and once you get that, you'll probably be quite high on the daily as well. You go be above the 10 moving average on the daily. The 10 moving average is also at 21, 22. So that's the play we want to see. We want to see climb the moving averages, get above the diagonal, get above the 0.22, and you're gonna get to the moon. But whether that's gonna happen today, tomorrow, I'm thinking the best case scenario is from Monday or next week that happens. So we're gonna see. Also, we have to watch what Bitcoin is doing. Check out the video. That said, subscribe to the channel. We do all the altcoins here. We do Bitcoin, we do all the shebang. We got a Patreon page where we do like 30 coins every single day. I just did it like 30 minutes ago. Right now posted it on Patreon page, so do check it out. Join the Telegram chat. Why not? Join everything. Just go down. There are a lot of links. Just click anything. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the links button, click the share buttons, click the comment buttons, click the likes on the comments buttons. You know, everything helps. Thanks guys for watching, and see you around tomorrow. Bye bye.